On the 4th of February, we have the 4, the 2, the 8, the 10, and the path is the 7. So that means that, yes, we want to have a plan. We're going to take it step by step. And we definitely include some time by ourselves to just sit, relax, close our eyes, breathe. Maybe read a book or listen to a beautiful song and feel the emotions, feel what's in your heart. And trust the universe, and that it will bring you always exactly what you need. That's a beautiful intention for today.